Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to another 143 scale video. So, if you watched my previous video where I opened the Land Rover, already told you the story about this one. So, if you want, you can go back and check that out. Was probably posted in the same week. I really doubt that it's been posted on a different week. Had them both selected together so I can review them and talk about them together more or less. So this is our 143 IXO model cars. This is the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, as you can see there. Amazing model. I have this only from definitely Johnny Lightning in 1/64 scale, and I maybe or maybe not actually. That's a different year. I have it from Greenlight also in 1/64 scale, but I just had to get it in 143 scale. Don't have this thing in 118. Don't plan to get it also in 118. I'm perfectly fine with 143. Okay, so as always, they come all in acrylic cases. I've not seen one without acrylic case. We got these duct tapes on the side. Comes right off. Looking very, very nice. Looks like it's going to be a roller also, at least by the height of the vehicle. Then we have two screws. Let's see if the screwdriver I have on my hand. No, it's too big. I need a different one. Will this work? No, this one's. I need to toss that one. It's already unusable. Okay, this one works. Screw number one. Screw number two. There's the plastic piece. Just chuck those in. All right, let's have a look at them all. Got my fingers on it already, but I'll clean it off before putting it in the display. As you can see, yeah, there will be a roller, so no issues there. So let's have a closer look. So for the front headlights, they look lensed, at least for me. These bottom ones don't look good. They're there. It looks like this one's broken off, but it's not. It's actually there. Wondering, was there supposed to be no license in the front? Because there is one in the front. And I don't see any license plates laying anywhere else. So hopefully I don't have some kind of a... No, it looks like it's supposed to be like that. It looks like it was supposed to have like a splitter here, but maybe not. I'm not sure. Did it have even had a splitter or something? I hope it's. I'm just being paranoid and there wasn't anything there because I don't see any parts here anywhere. So, okay, continuing on. We have the burning chicken on the hood right there. Well, the Firebird, but I have heard people saying the flaming chicken, the burning chicken, and whatever. So, the chicken. So these flaps here are not removable, but they are plastic, so you might want to be careful with those. Don't break them off. Here's your back details. Those are lensed tail lights also. Stock rims. There's some interior. It's always mostly always blacked out, so no opening parts or whatsoever. No need to, because otherwise it will feel like a toy. Here's your plastic base. Nice, normal, nicely detailed. Nothing too much. Our stock skinny tires. Yeah, mostly looking very nice. Roll test. Oh, rolls fantastically. No issues whatsoever. No wobbliness, no jumpiness, no squeaky, no nothing. Perfect rolling vehicle. So I might have to check on if supposed to be like that. I think there's just supposed to be like a license plate maybe in front of it. I don't know. Actually, I'll check that after the video, but hopefully it's supposed to be like this, and yeah, hopefully it is perfect and no issues whatsoever. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.